The paid media ecosystem is changing faster than ever. And in this video, I'm going to get into 3 critical market trends that you need to be paying attention to ensure that your paid media heads in the right direction in 2022. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Item number 1, measurement. As the customer journey becomes more and more complex, advertisers need to understand the relative value delivered by their marketing channels. If you don't have a great measurement plan in place for everything you're doing, you're in trouble. Cross-channel measurement, attribution, and budget allocation is critical in 2022. Item number 2, automation. 93% of brands see it as valuable or critical in order to either work in-house or with their agency to enable more automation. As more and more paid media becomes automated, we're seeing that in paid media, it's becoming more important to understand the measurement, the analysis, and the strategy going into campaigns, and knowing when and when not to apply specific automations that are being recommended by these paid media tools. If you don't know what I'm talking about in regards to automation, all of these paid media tools out there now, be it Google, YouTube, Facebook, all make recommendations for ways to improve your paid media. So you can choose to apply an automation provided by these tools. Another key trend for the paid media ecosystem is display and video. Display and video has been coming for a long time, but now in 2022 and over the next couple years, it's going to mature to a point where it is more powerful than ever. Video and display, it has more than arrived. And now 90% of brands see visual media such as display and video as a top priority trend to address in their marketing plan over the next 3 years. Agencies and in-house teams are going to be working with video and display to create a more holistic plan. Expect to see top to bottom, full funnel, multi-channel creative mapping through video, display, search, and other elements as part of this new strategic world of online paid media. These were 3 key market paid media trends for 2022 and going into 2023. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give me a like, give me a comment below. I'll see you next time.